Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny morning in Dubai. So I've got my box a bit, and then we're off down to the car park. It's a bit dark down there, but don't be scared. So we're in the Jeep this morning, and for all you people that have bought one, this is a Gladiator. You may not have noticed when you were test driving it that there's no actual footrest when you're sitting in there. So I've only had the Jeep a couple of days, and this will be, I don't know if you class it as a modification, but this will be the first modification. I mean, it's like 7 AM in the morning. Just dropped the wife off to the airport. Guess it's mod time. Okay, so we're in the Jeep now. Let's have a look what we got. Let's take this out for a second. So what we have is this. Now this I've obviously put together up in the house kind of thing. So what we've got here is the step. So you see it's got the sort of Jeep grille down the front. It's supposed to be a headlight Jeep grille, and it comes in 3 parts. So you've got this part, you've got the back part here, and then the main part here that sort of connects to the car using this hole. So obviously this bit sort of rests against the back. It's actually adjustable. I need to loosen it, these bolts a little bit, so this slides backwards and forwards, and then this bit here connects onto it, and obviously this is where your foot goes. So I've pre-put this together because it's a little bit fiddly. You're going to need a little spanner just for the back there, and then an Allen key for the front here. So this bolts on directly to the actual firewall for the Jeep. But me being me, I'm going to try to be clever. I'm going to see if it works or not. So I've got this little bolt here. So I'm going to see if I can actually just bolt this over the top of the original firewall bolt, save removing it. So let's see if that actually works or not. Who knows? So we're down in the footwell, and this little bad boy is exactly where you want to attach it. So let's see if I can actually, does this not fit or not? Yes it does, which is fantastic. So hopefully I'll be able to attach this using this, which is a 1/2 inch nut, and then just save me undoing the original bolt that's on the bulkhead. Let's just see if this goes on here. So yeah, that's basically going to bolt on and sit there like so. So people, literally 5 minutes later, we're done. That's bolted on there, that's there. As you see, it sort of sits on there. And if you do want to take the mats out, it's easy enough to just move. It's not like it's super difficult. It seems pretty sturdy. It's a game changer, I'm telling you, in terms of driver comfort. And for those of you that are like a bit, you know, DIY phobic, I mean, these are literally the tools I used. So, literally adjustable spanner, Allen key, and a little wrench there. And to be totally honest, I could have done it with those two. Would have been a little bit slower, a little bit harder, just to put that bolt in up there. But I mean, if you've got a socket set, it's a 1/2 inch one there. Simple. So that's it. Job done. Pretty simple job. I'm gonna pick up my little tools quickly. Yeah, so for those of you who have a Gladiator or planning on getting one, it's a great little thing. I mean, to be fair, it wasn't really, I didn't expect it to be the first thing that I was going to do on this Jeep, to be totally honest. I was thinking wheels, yeah, but it's proper not the best driver. A step, I don't know why they didn't put one in there. So I would suggest it be one of the top things. And the other day I bought this off Amazon. I think it was about 100 dirham, so again like $60 or something like that. Super easy to do, super comfortable. So I'm looking a bit sweaty. I'm in Dubai and it's not cold. So yeah, just in case you wanted to see her, this is the actual Jeep herself. I only got her a few days ago, so don't laugh at these. Those will be the next thing. So that's it, job done. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one.